Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine.
Fine. Okay, so children, we are learning chapter 3 numbers, and in numbers we have already discussed the number names, how to write the number name, place value, face value, and expanded form. So, Randir, can you please tell me what do you mean by face value? Please unmute and speak. Face
Face value is the number which repeating.
face value.
No, ma. Face value. If put one number, it is one itself.
That number itself, not one itself, okay? What do you mean by face value? Face value of a number is the number itself. If they are asking what is the face value of 5, 5 itself. If they are giving 1, 1. Then if it is 2, 2. So place value and face value, they are different. Face value of a number is the number itself. And who can say what do you mean by expanded form? Expanded form. Expanded form. Can you raise your hand? Who can say expanded form? Ivana, you have raised the hand? Yes? Ivana, please unmute and speak. It can be written as, the number can be expressed as the
Expanded form.
expanded form. What do you mean by expanded form? Number can be written as sum of the
As
sum of the
sum of the number.
number. Who can say clearly sum of the? Yes, Mega. Please unmute and speak. Sum of the
Digits.
digits only. Something is missing. Yes, Akshid. Please unmute and speak. Sum of the.
Place value.
Very good. Sum of the place values of the digits. Children, that place value is very important. If I have one number 387, if I add 3 plus 8 plus 7, that is not expanded form. But I know 3 is in 100 place. So how will I write place value? 300 plus 8 in tens place means 80 plus 7. So what do you mean by expanded form? Expanded form means that the number can be written as sum of the place values of the digits. That is called expanded form. So all the children, I want you to revise what we have learned before the next period. Okay. So whenever we are learning maths, children, just 10 minutes before, sit and revise all the topics like what do you mean by expanded form, face value, place value. Then only you will be able to do the problems faster. Is that clear? Excellent. So, expanded form means sum of the place values. And what do you mean by place value? Each digit gets the value, that digit that is placed in which place, that digit will get the value of the place that it occupies. If 5 is in 100 place, 5 will become 500. If 5 is in tens place, 5 will become 50. Like that. So place value and face value, they are different. Okay, so children, we will do one example, then we will continue with our workbook questions. So if I am writing one number like 39876. Okay. Now Ryan, please tell me, how will I place the comma? How will I place the commas after? After 9. Means children, there is a rule after 3 digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits from right side. Okay. Now Advait, can you tell me, Advait, please unmute and tell me the number name. Advait. Yes, Advait. Tell me the number name.
39,800. 170.
Yes, here we know children, these three are in ones period. In ones period, how many places we have? Ones, tens, 100 and 39 together in which period? Thousands period. Thousands period. So how will write the number name? 39,000. 39,000. Yes, 39,000. How many hundred here we have? 800. 876. And 76. So this, when we divide this into two periods, we know 39 is in thousands period. So this in thousands period we have 1,000 and 10,000. Ones period what we have? Ones, tens, 100. In thousands period we have 10,000 and 1,000. So how to read this number? 39,876. Gurujit, can you please tell me the place value of 7? The underlined here, I'm underlined 7. Place value of 7. 70, very good. Place value of...
I'm writing.
No need to write. No need to write. Only all the children please pay attention. After this example, we will do the problems in our workbook.
Mom, I cannot can hear you clearly.
Clearly, maybe some network problem here. Now, please check. Now it's okay? It's okay now?
Yes.
Okay. So you told me place value of 7 is 70. Why? Because 7 is in tens place. 7 tens, that is 70. Okay. Wazim, please unmute and tell me face value of 7. Face 7 itself, very good. Face value of 7 is 7. Okay. Now, Amal Fayaz, please unmute and tell me expanded form. Expanded form.
7.
Expanded form of this number. Expanded form. Look, 3 is in which place?
2,000.
3 is in 10,000. So,
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
3 in 10,000 place. So, how will you write that place value?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Not audible. Yes, Nived, please unmute. Nived.
Hello. Hello.
10,000 place.
Ma'am,
So, what is the place value of 3?
ma'am, I cannot hear nothing.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ashwin, please unmute. It's not audible. Ashwin, please unmute.
Ma'am,
10,000.
I cannot hear. 3,000. I cannot hear. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
So, please unmute, Christo. Please unmute.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Christo, can you hear me? Can you please tell me the place values? 3.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
How will write the place value of 3?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Not audible. What happened?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Okay, so 3 is in
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
thousands place. So, Niranjana, please tell me.
Ma'am, can hear you, ma'am. I cannot hear you.
Right?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am,
I cannot hear you.
1, 2, 3, 4 digits.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
4
Ma'am, I
digits.
cannot hear you.
3.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, I cannot can hear you because your voice is very low. Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Tell me, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Yes. And Al-Sabah, please unmute. Hello. Children, can you hear me? Randir, can you hear me? Please unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. No, ma'am. I cannot hear you. Hear you.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. I cannot. Microphone is low. Yours. Working. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Children,
Children, can you hear me?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. No, ma'am. Your voice is very low. Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Your voice is very slow. Ma'am, I can hear you. I can hear it.
Children, can you hear me?
No. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Only little voice. Only little voice, ma'am. Ma'am, I can hear only little voice. Only little voice. Ma'am, it's not. Ma'am. I can see you.
Problem with the sound. It's okay now, sound?
Yes,
Yes. So can we do that problem now? Sabha, please tell me the answer. Al Sabha, please unmute. One more time, please unmute. So, okay, 30,000 plus, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me
9,000
9,000
plus 800
plus 800
70 plus 70
plus 70 plus
6.
6. Okay, children. So, how you can check whether your answer? You can write the first one, that is in 10,000 place. Write 3. Then check how many digits are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there should be 4 zeros. Plus, right now 9 in thousands place. Write 9. After 9, how many play? 1, 2. After 1, 2, 3 here. We have 3 zeros should be there, and plus after 8 we have 2 places, so we have 2 zeros, and after 7 we have 1 only here, 1 digit, so that is 70 plus 6. Okay, so is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which question we have done now? Tell me. We have not done only one example. Okay. Next one. Rishikesh, can you read question number? Which question we are going to do now? Rishikesh, please check workbook.
Ma'am, 16.
Huh?
16.
16. 15 over, please. Show me, Devananda, your workbook. Devananda, show me your workbook, Ameya, Devananda, and all of you. Have you completed question number 15? Yes. Very good. 15. Very good. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, I can see Niranjana, Akshit, Ashwin, Christo, Mekha. Yes. Okay, okay. Very good, children. Take question number 16, all of you. 16. Rishikesh, please read question number 16.
Write the expanded form and number name of the
given number given below. Okay. We have to write the expanded form and number name. Can you say the number name of question number A, Rishikesh? Count how many digits are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 56,000. Very good.
789.
89. Very good. Okay. Ivan, can you please tell me how to write it as expanded form? Ivan, please unmute. 50,000 plus
50,000
plus
plus 6,000
thousand
700
700
80 plus 9.
Very good. Okay, so children, can we do together? Faster, all of you. Question number 16. We have to write the number in expanded form. So first we will write 16A, expanded form of the number. Expanded form. Of which number we have here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can write on top of this number. We are not going to draw the place value chart because we don't have place. We have to write the expanded form. We have to write the number name of A and B. So we are not going to write a draw, but we are going to write on the top of this number ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Then we will place the commas here. Now we can start. Okay. Okay. Now write here 5. Then after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we have how many zeros? 4 zeros. And we can write plus. Then we can write 6,000. Plus 7 is in 100 place. So we can write 700 plus 80 plus 9.
Plus 9.
Okay. Now children, we can write the number name below that number name. Write the expanded forms and number name. So we can write here number name. Number name. What is the number name? Yes, Amalia. Tell me the number name. Amalia, please unmute. How to write this number? 56. 56,000.
56,000. 56,789.
Very good. 56,789. Okay, very good. Right, without spelling mistake. Number name is 56. 6,000. Look at the spelling and write without any mistake. 56,000. 789. 789. Okay. Now next one, question number 16B. You can write like this. Okay, Catherine, can you please unmute and tell me? Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
93467. 93467. Can you tell me the expanded form, Catherine? Expanded form of question number B.
9,000
9,000? Check. Before that, if you have done, we can place your ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So how will read that number? 9 in which place? 9 in
10,000.
10,000 place. So it is 90,000. 9. After 9, count how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to place 4 zeros. Plus. Okay. 3. Which place? 3? 3,000. Very good. 3,000. So we should have 3 zeros. Plus. Tell me. What's the next number?
400.
400. Very good. Plus
60.
60. Plus.
7.
Very good. 7. Okay. Joseph, can you tell me the number name? Joseph, please unmute. Number name. Number name. Number name. Yes, Joseph. Devdat, please unmute and speak. I am not able to hear from Joseph. Devdat, please unmute. Devdat. Yes, Amal, I am not able to hear. Can you unmute and speak? What's the number name? Please unmute. Yes, Ashwin, please unmute. Ashwin. How will read this number?
93,000.
Very good. 93,000.
400.
93,000.
Now one more.
Okay, Amal. You can continue, yes. 93,000.
400. 67.
467. All the children, please check your spelling and write correctly. 67. So question number 16, we are writing as expanded form and number name. The given numbers can be expressed as expanded form. How to write the expanded form? Sum of the place values. Here 9 is in 10,000 place. So after 9 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to check here 4 zeros are there. After 3 we have 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 zeros. Write 4 after 4 how many? 1 and 2. Only 2 digits, so we have 2 0. 6 after 6 we have only 1 digit, so we have 1 0 then 7. So how to read this number? 93,000 467. Completed?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You completed. Question number 16.
Yes,
Parthasarathi, can you read question number 17? Parthasarathi.
ma'am.
Yes. Question number 17.
The number of flowers in shop A and
Shop B is given below. Yes. Yes, Parthasarathi, please unmute. Unmute and read. Okay, read louder, louder. The numbers are given. What we have to find is separate. Separate the periods. Yes, Parthasari, louder, louder.
The number of flowers in shop A
And shop B is given. So two numbers is given. What do we have to find? Separate the read. Separate the periods.
in the numbers and write their number.
Number names. Children, we have to separate the numbers and write the number name. How to separate the numbers? Jibichen, after how many digits we have to place the comma? After how many digits? After how many digits we have to place the comma? After?
2 digits from the front.
Friend, now I'm asking from the back. We will always place 3 digits. Very good. Okay, children. So we will write that also faster. All of you, please write faster. Okay, so question number 17. What do you have to do? I will do one, and question number B you will do as homework. All of you. So shop A. Shop A, we have to write the number. First write the number, then we will place the comma. 52163. 52163. So how to place the comma? We will place the comma 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits from the right side. So how to, now next you have to write the number name below. So you have told me that is 52,000, 52, 52,000.
You want to write?
You can write 52,163. 163. So what we have done, the question is, you have to place the comma, then you have to write the number name. So shop A, how we will place the comma? After 3 digits from the right side. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we will place the comma. Then we have to write the number name. 52,163. Question number B you will do as homework, all of you. Question number B, you will do as homework. Ahian, can you read question number B? Ahian, please unmute. Yes, Ahian. Question number B. 74199. Yes, Ahian, can you read the number name? 74199. Count how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, louder, louder. 74,000.
74,000. 74,199.
Very good. 74,199. Okay. Who can say faster? Sabah, tell me the expanded form faster. Expanded form, yes. 70,000.
70,000 plus
4. In which page? 4,000, yes.
4,000 plus 100
Yes.
plus 90.
90 plus 9. Somebody told 99 together. No. You have to separate all the places. So 70,000 plus, no, 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 9. So children, what you have to do? You have to write the expanded form and number name as we have done in question number A. You have to write the only separate with comma then number name. Yes, children, any doubt? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so 17, children, question number 17A, we have done same like that, we have to do 17B. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.